Hey YouTube, welcome back to our channel. So anyway, after trusses comes fascia boards. So that's next. So this is a wood finish for decks and fascia boards. It's oil base, it penetrates, and it truly preserves. So there it is. Mesmer's Oak Brown. $100 a pail. But hopefully you only have to do it once every 5 years? Or 7?
2 years.
We're saying 7.
2 to 5, yeah.
Okay, there we go. Okay, double your production and race.
You had a head start. That's not fair.
There. Oops, don't get anything on the other board. Anyway, this is board 1 million I stained. So in case anybody wants to know, I'm doing it from. Put it on to the thickness of the penetration, to the color you want. So we're matching the house exactly with the same stain on the garage here. These are garage fascia boards. So off we go. Some people comment watching paint dry. So I'll tell you what, we'll speed you up.
There you go.
See, there you go. Hey YouTube, welcome back to our hot channel. It's the middle of summer and it's H-O-T. So that's why you stay hydrated with your raspberry sparkle water. Apparently it's carbonated and bubbly, so it makes you bubbly inside. This is a continuation. Start date August. Hurry up before winter. Okay. Full steam ahead, Scotty. We're doing the plywood. So we have a big lift of plywood. Say hello to Susie Builder.
Okay, look at the plywood.
Okay. Look at the plywood. Okay. Oh, a big stack of sheets. There we go. First row on. So we gotta hurry up before the noonday sun. Okay, make sure you subscribe, follow along, and tell all your friends. Roof plywood, yay! And it's hot. It's hotter than a squirrel's barbecued butt out here. Take that. Okay, let's have a look. So these are blocks. So these blocks connect the peak of the tip of truss to truss to truss, and the best time to put these in is when you have the last row. So you can just sit on the edge and nail them in. And what this does, it gives rigidity to the plywood that spans from peak to peak to peak, and someone made a rule. It's a building code item. So thumbs up to the rule makers. Here in the Great White North, you're allowed to put your roof trusses at 24-inch centers, if you can believe it. Most places in the world are still on 16, and technically it should be 16, but we have this cool invention called H-clips. See this? They hold one sheet to the next sheet. So, there you go. It's easy. What are you doing on the roof? Next shade. Okay, now that we're back in the TARDIS, I say to the end. And to the end, my dear. So you check the gas gauge. Yeah, lots of gas. Oh no! There we go. Make sure you cut in the lines. There we go. See? It's easy. Oh yeah, she says don't sing. Good advice. Voila. Just put a new power module on. Hey YouTube, good night.